Start. These are the buttons, and we have a budget of $1,000. I'm gonna go to economy. Here are the 3 cards we can choose from: Technology Initiative, a new tax, and the infrastructure rebuild. And here it is, some statistics like average income and stuff. So I'll just choose the Technology Initiative and go back. This is one of our 3 cards, and now our budget is $600. And I'll check the goals up here. The goals are lower unemployment, increase life expectancy, and increase the GDP growth rate. And then we'll go to environment second. We have three cards again: renewables, wildlife conservation, and reforestation. I'll choose renewables, which lowers pollution and lowers the carbon emission, and it's $200. And here are some statistics like the carbon dioxide level, the sea level rise, and the environment status. And this little polar bears is a button, so I'll click that, and we will go to the polar bear mode. Here the player must put the 2 polar bears, or the 2 polar bear icons, in a position on the ice right here, outlined by the blue. And they put the polar bears on the ice, and they have to be within 2 squares of the fish, like so. Within two. And if we press the goals button up here, the polar bear goal is to just exist. And then we'll go back to the human page. We took the renewables card. We'll go back. So we'll play these 2 cards, and we'll advance 5 years. So the year is now 2025. Our budget was $400, but based on these cards, we're going to be at $1,100 for round 2, just based on what the Technology Initiative gives us, because it promotes economic growth. And then we're going to check on the polar bears in 2025. And because the player chose a card that raised carbon emissions and increased pollution, the ice will melt. So this was bigger before, but now it melted, so the polar bears have less land to work with. And the idea is that if the player chooses too many cards in the economy campaign but doesn't choose enough in the environment, the polar bears will eventually lose all the ice and they'll go extinct. So yeah.